Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is unboxing, just a quick unboxing today. My silly job title for today is cable connector. I'm the cable connector. So yeah, just a really quick one today. I thought I might as well make a video about this bit of kit that I picked up recently. It's a USB hub. It's called TEKERA. That's the brand name. I don't know anything about the brand. It's a 10-port powered USB hub. So we'll jump over the computer, have a look at the product page, then we'll jump over the bench and take it out of the box.
Here on the computer, and this is the TEKERA 10-port powered USB 3.2 USB-C hub, 60 watt with 10 gigabit per second, USB-A 3.2, 2 USB-C 3.2, 4 USB 3 data ports, 1 USB-C power delivery, and 2 USB-A fast charging ports, aluminium USB splitter for laptop PC. And I don't know what RSHA10, I don't know what that means. PD probably means power delivery, not sure. Anyway, brand TEKERA, color black, hardware interface USB, special features, fast data transfer, portable for laptops, desktops. About this item, 7 ports, USB hub, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So maybe the red ones aren't data ports. They might just be for power only. Not sure. Let's have a look at the photos. So there'll be a link in the show notes if you want to click through and have a look at this product on Amazon. So the top ports, USB-C, can do up to 10 gigabits per second. The middle ones can do up to 5 gigabits per second. Okay, so it can take 60 watts. Cool. volt 5 amp power adapter. Okay, it comes with the power. That might not be a Aussie power, but it, was it 5 volts, 5 amps, 12 volts. Yeah, 12 volt, 5 amp. Okay, cool. Anyway, let's jump over to the bench and take it out of its box.
Here on the bench, and this is the box. 10-port hybrid USB hub, 2 10 gigabits per second USB, 1 10 gigabits per second USB-A, 4 5 gigabits per second USB-A, and then 2 times QC 3.0. I don't know what that means. I have a feeling that, and this is power delivery 20 watts. So I have a feeling that only the top ones can do data and these bottom ones just do power. That's what that looks like to me. Wouldn't you agree? On the back here, okay, product features. The 10-port hybrid USB hub features 3 USB 3.2 data ports and 4 USB 3.0 data ports. Charge your devices efficiently with 3 specific fast charging ports. Enjoy hassle-free connections with the unique 2-in-1 data cable with USB-A and USB-C connectors. Independent power switch and LED. Easily manage all the devices plugged in. Universal DC 12 volt power adapter provides stable power to all connected peripherals. Note, the USB hub must be connected to the USB 3.2 Gen 2 port of the host to achieve 10 gigabit per second speed. System requirements. Windows, Mac, Linux 2.4 and above. Made in Shenzhen. Great. And that's a pretty good little diagram on the back here. So it's 3 3.2, 4 3.0, and then 1, 2, 3 for power. Great. I actually bought this thing mostly for power. I'm going to just keep it on my bench over here and use it to power all the things. Oh, there we go. It comes with a manual. Okay. Yep. Well, we've got that pretty much figured out. All right. Cool. So there we go. Oh, excellent! It did come with an Aussie. Came with an Aussie power pack. Very happy about that. I was a bit worried it was going to be some sort of a US contraption or maybe something from the EU, but this will plug straight in over on the wall, which is great. All right, and this is the device itself. Oh, there we go. I'm going to take off the film. Wonderful. So there he is. It actually looks really great. Oh, there's a power delivery at the top there. Oh, it's got a Velcro. Oh, yep, that came right off. That's good. So there it is. It's got the 2 USB-C 3.2, 1 USB-A 3.2, and then these are all 3.0, and then these are for quick charge, and then there's the power delivery up to 20 watts down the bottom there. And this power supply, model GA120050A, input anything from 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, output 12 volt, 5 amps, 60 watts. Great. Well, I'm not going to plug this in now, but it will live on my bench over there, and I'll be plugging it in soon. So I'll report in about that in a future video. But if you're interested in the equipment, now you know what to expect. If you buy it, it looks pretty good to me. I'm impressed. So yeah, that concludes this unboxing. I'll throw you to the third world cam. We'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So just a humble unboxing today. I figured I might as well do it as not, since the bit of equipment's just arrived. Yeah, it looks like a really good bit of equipment. I thought that, you know, it was good. So if you've been thinking about getting something like it and you've done a search and you found this, then now you know what to expect in the box. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to click like and subscribe.